This is J and Z review of the Kalash RK01 or the AK74U airsoft gun. It seems to be not Kalash, but Dboys. If you see there's the magazine, which is the Dboys magazine. Says it right there. You can't see it at all. It says Dboys Airsoft. And the battery, which is a Dboys stick battery. It is pretty heavy for its size. It is all metal. Set this down real quick. Here's the hop-up chamber, magazine, switch on. Here's manual and semi. Triggers, we all know. Here's the folding stock. And everything on this gun is metal except the pistol grip. This is a fine ABS plastic. Everything except the mag and this is all metal. The trigger guard, the receiver. Oh, and the hand guard. It looks to be like wood, but it's not. It's really plastic. Flash hider, except the top, that's plastic. This receiver's metal. This is metal. That's metal. Everything metal on the gun. It came with this 1,000 round mag and this 600 round mag standard. See the high cap. So take the stock, push the button in, and it stays. Now, here's the box, KLS series, Kalash Airsoft. It only comes with instructions, the extra mag. Bought this, did not buy that separately. It did come with the gun, but I only got it for a special deal. Unjamming rod. Had to unjam it a couple times already. And over here, charger. That's the battery to a different Dboys gun. So that's the gun itself. Oh, you don't really have to set the thing. But as you can see, it's got two firing modes. There's the regular, and that is for, I guess they say, the sniper part, vision, whatever you want to call it. Now, this gun is about 7 pounds. It's very heavy, and sometimes it's cold because it's cold here. Now, we're going to test it out, and I'm going to give you my camera to Jay, and he's going to photograph me shooting at those barrels. Those whatever they are, you want to call them. You filming?
What?
You ready?
I'm ready.
Here, all the way back here.
What? Okay.
You ready? This is semi-auto. Oh, shit. I guess I gotta plug the battery in first.
Guess so.
Oh, bring the camera over here. This is where you put the thing. Take it, take it out. Goes right down the middle. Easily. Nothing you have to worry about. Now it's on semi. Now, watch the thing on the left. And we're clear.